Hi, this is a webinar on the widgets and the reports tool in the ThinkWave system. In this video, we'll be looking at all the features available in the row widget. This widget is very similar to the column widget that was mentioned in another video. This will allow you to align other widgets in a horizontal row. We go into more detail on how to apply these widgets to a full report in another video. Since we'll need to preview the widget as we adjust the look of it, we'll need to create a report to save the widget to. Under the Reports tab and under Custom Reports, click Add Report. Then click Create New Report. We'll call this Demo, and organize this as one student per page. The layout is divided into 12 segments, but for this we'll be using it as a quick reference. So make it 12/12ths of a row, and the cell 12. You'll have to make the other cell 0, which will prompt you to delete it. Then click Save. Now we'll go to the Widget Designer by hovering over here. Since it's your first widget, it'll automatically create a new one. We're going to create a row widget, which would be useful for creating a header for reports. We'll call it Reports Header and make it a row, then click Save. Like in the layout, you'll need to make all the widgets amount to 12. Because you can have as many widgets as you like, you have to make sure they're divided up correctly. For this, we'll use the default widgets. For the first one, we'll add the school logo. Make sure you have a logo in the system first. I find it's easier to have a second tab open in your browser for this. Now go to the Setup tab and upload a JPEG of your school's logo. Now go back to the row widget and add school logo from the pull-down. There's also some basic formatting selections in the pull-down, but most of these will not apply here. For the second cell, let's add a student photo. Make sure you have a student photo in the system by going to the Students tab. Select a student and upload a JPEG here. Now back to the row widget, and add the student photo here. Since we only have 2 widgets now, let's make each one 6. Now click Save. Now let's preview it. To do this, go back to the Layout Designer by hovering here. Then add the Reports Header widget we just created to the cell here. Then click Save. Go back to the other tab and go to the Reports tab and click on the Demo report under Custom Reports. Select a student, then click Generate. As you can see here, there's the school logo and a student photo next to it. They're evenly placed apart, but you can change the placement by going back to the row widget and add some blank space. Now make the school logo a 2 and add the blank space that's a 6. Then the student photo at 4. Now click Save and let's preview it again. Go back to the other tab. In the upper left-hand side, click Configure. Then select the student again and click Generate. As you can see here, the logo is more left justified, and the student photo is centered in the space we allowed for it. And on the right here is a space for whatever data you want to put in it. We go into detail on how to create the other data widgets in other videos, but this gives you a quick rundown on how to get the widgets into the report. And these are the features in the row widget on the Reports tool in the ThinkWave system. Thanks for watching.